Man, them bullets get the flying like it was a virus. Niggas talking hella shit, cut them up like a pirate. Ay, ay, ay. I had to switch on my lane, had to cut people off, cause niggas not solid. Niggas talk about the next man and how much bread up in they pocket. Niggas always be plotting, that's why I'm always watching. Cause you would never catch me lacking, cause I keep the pocket rocket, I do my dance.
What's down, y'all?
You ain't butt chicken and man.
Yeah, stop playing.
Y'all probably wondering what this is. Enchiladas Mexican food.
Chalata.
Enchilada.
Today we're gonna be doing.
Alright.
Today we're gonna be doing a Q&A with
Mukbang.
mukbang. Which would.
Look at GE. Look at GE.
See, don't look at me, y'all. I'm just enjoying my food.
G, get your phone. Get your phone. G, get your phone. Get your phone off the dresser.
He look like he eat.
Open it.
Like,
Calm down.
I mean, more.
Yo, how many bodies y'all got?
Look, we're gonna go starting from
Big
Dutch.
old
Wait, start from
virgin.
Dutch. We're gonna start from Dutch. Everybody can don't talk.
big old bird.
I'm a virgin, but as in, you know, fingering and all that. I got about what? 4.
Big old bird.
I'm a virgin, but
Big old
And then
V's.
finger.
Big old V's.
probably got about what?
Big V.
1,
Kissing
2, something like that.
Big version. I'm a big
Whichever
old
version.
version.
All us virgin.
Yeah, whole game version. So y'all trying to take it, come take it.
But I want a grown woman. So.
Big V.
Me too.
Next one is first time you got your dick sucked. Quick story.
Time out. I'm tripping on that spicy a little, like some pepper in there.
Dick sucked.
Never got my
You never
dick
got me meat sucked.
Never.
Never.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Ever.
Dang.
I be needing it, dude.
I
Yeah.
didn't even want y'all to take a nigga sued. For real.
Real talk, have a nigga not walking.
Jeepers Creepers.
I don't want that.
How old y'all is?
14.
I'm 15.
15,
14.
17.
Yo, why y'all
I
smacking
just
like
made
that?
17. What, me?
Stop smacking, man. Y'all gonna make the people not wanna watch the video.
And they gonna watch this video.
You know,
I'm not gonna
watch
I'm not finna fix how I eat for somebody else comfortable. If you ain't comfortable,
He
just
eat
go
it?
ahead
How
and
you eat
click
it?
that little X
How you
and
eat it?
unsubscribe and don't watch it.
No, subscribe.
did?
Subscribe. Subscribe. Don't listen to me.
Get.
And next one, y'all. Let them know. Oh, no.
Man, let them know who the real easy is. Rachel, man. Stop playing.
Next one is who KK can't leave alone.
Larry.
This KK.
Nah,
He can't leave Larry alone.
I can't leave that weed alone.
No, we gonna put everybody. Who all us can't leave alone?
Nah, real rap.
Who all us can't leave alone?
I can't leave the streets alone.
I can hear the sticks.
We think you can't leave Larry alone.
I think you can leave
I
me a
think-
7 alone.
I think he can leave me alone.
I think you can leave
No, I
India.
know.
I think you can leave India legal alone.
Y'all don't know who I can leave alone.
Who you can't leave alone?
Nobody.
Let me see. What her name is?
The studio, huh, bro?
Yeah, the studio. That's my old
I
lady.
forgot her
You
name.
done been through so much.
But look, y'all know.
Oh my
Both of y'all for my son. Both of them.
Who's some more?
Next one there. Do you be on the hooves? The
Who,
hooves
me?
be on me.
I've been dying my whole life. Yeah,
I don't be on nothing. I don't be on
Nobody
nothing.
don't be on you.
I don't be on nothing. I be chilling.
Be
Bro,
on
you
you.
spitting, bro.
Thumbnail. I probably look crusty. My be out.
Which one?
Full.
Excuse me.
Get our first video we ever dropped to 1,000 views.
Niggas see why easy is so ugly. Fees, love me. Can't be ugly.
As ugly as me.
Hey, love me.
Anybody ugly as me.
I'm the ugliest nigga in the game.
You see, why all y'all got fees?
What?
They said that?
Why y'all got fees?
Who said that?
I don't got no fees.
Nigga don't have no
us.
fees.
Look at us.
Look at us.
Look at us.
You think
Look
we gonna
at
have
us.
fees? Yeah, what?
I'm sexy.
Me too.
I'm ugly. I'm keep it real.
I should have did the whole video like that.
Alright. Let me see who y'all all crushing on.
Lord.
Say, time out, cause I'm about to go fit. What's
I
that
ain't
girl
crushing
name?
on nobody.
Oh, I hope she don't watch this.
I was crushing, but
I ain't crushing on nobody.
I would say it, but the consequences coming behind it ain't worth it.
I'm gonna see.
But
I'm crushing on my first love.
Who that is?
I'm Justin.
man,
I'm Justin.
He for real.
I'm Justin.
He for
Man,
real.
I'm Justin.
That now you girl. Now you 3.
What?
Ooh.
What?
Now you 3.
Now you're 3.
What's the myth?
I never even talked to them like that. Like we just, man, what you talking about, bro?
that
That ain't even my first love.
Alright. Next question.
if you skinny and light skin, I'm crushing on you.
They were like, why you be playing with them
Or
people?
if you skinny, I'm crushing on you.
Why you be playing with them people?
Who?
That's a dick.
Playing with who?
Damn.
I just be Joseph. Don't take it personal. I just be playing, y'all. But that's a dick. That's real. you packing, mama. You packing.
Next question, they were like, why you hate it like that?
Well, who? He lying. He ain't even much reading the thing.
Let me read it, bro.
Shit, man.
Next one was like, what made y'all want to start YouTube? Why the camera turning?
You see that, huh?
It's turning.
I am not in the video.
Back up some.
Come on.
There we go. Perfect right here.
Next one was like, what made y'all want to start YouTube? I don't know.
Cause we were
Yeah,
like,
but we need money. We don't need money, but we want.
We just need
We
something.
won't get rich.
but if you
Yeah.
want help, if you feel like helping somebody in need, $, cash up. My dad. No, real talk. My cash up is $, JAKADENN. And if you didn't get that, DM me on Instagram. I'm Young K. I am YUNGKAY. Only if you want help
Don't
somebody.
no.
And
But
you can send as much money as you want. Don't feel bad.
You can say, come on.
what made us want to do this? Cause we want to get rich, and we starting off good already.
Yeah, we
And
trying to
what
make it
we
out.
was- what really brought it to our attention was we were sitting at the table in our kitchen, and Dutch was like, "Oh, you want to do a Q&A? Ask our followers, do."
That's what made them want to
And
do it.
then I was like, "We can do it."
But what
Look.
made me want to start YouTube was like we like this every day, so we might as well
Yeah.
put it on camera.
Yeah, like-
and people always be like, "Yeah, y'all funny."
We trying to make it out the hood.
We
No.
gonna make it out the hood. We ain't
Yeah, we
trying
gonna make
to.
it out the hood.
Yeah, but this video can't be too long.
No what?
It's not too
No
long.
what?
It's not even 10
No
minutes.
what?
No what?
I want to
He
do
said no
YouTube.
what?
I want my own money. Tired of asking my people.
And we gonna get our first house together. A house.
Next month.
Ain't no next month. Right, next year. Beginning of next year.
And when we grew up in the Fisher, it was hard for us.
Say, dude,
Chill, don't come trying to kill us and all that.
say, boy, you tripping. Boy, you tripping. You tripping. Boy, you tripping. Boy, you tripping.
We grew up in the Fisher. I'm Jules. I'm
Man,
Jules.
niggas know
I'm not even
you
from
are,
down
man.
there. I'm not even from
BR.
down
Back of my head. The back of my head.
BR, man.
Lying. We
Back
not
of
from
my
there.
head.
We ain't
Back
from
of my
there.
head. Ain't
He
no
claiming
Fisher.
places you not
Ain't
even
no
from. What's the
Fisher.
back of Manhattan?
That's what that is. The back of my head.
No, what that's at?
Wait, talk about the
That's
Fisher.
I'm Jules.
Boy, son, I'm about to spit this
trying to
drink
kill a
out,
nigga
son.
and all that.
The Fisher,
I'm about
bro.
to spit this drink out, son.
What you doing is mine. You grabbed it, trying to be sneak.
The Fisher.
Thirsty.
The Fisher, Kiki. The Fisher.
Fisher.
The Fisher.
But next one was like, when y'all think y'all blew up?
I ain't gonna lie.
Give us-
I think what's really like this YouTube gonna blow for sure. But
Next
I think
week.
what's really gonna turn us up, cause my son really like exclusive new nigga down here really harder than
Next
my son.
week.
I'm telling you,
Tomorrow.
I think we gonna blow up. Give us
and I can hoop, and I can beat
the
niggas
max. The max. Give us 3 years. 3 years.
3 years.
3
Next week.
3 years.
I say about a year. About a year.
up. Yeah, give about a year.
No, when we gonna
About a
really,
year.
when we gonna really blow.
If we just keep on doing what we doing, it could just probably be about a month.
Yeah, maybe you
Tomorrow.
never really is. Only man can tell us is
Yeah.
only God
Him.
knows. So you gotta ask him. You gotta ask him.
Somebody asks, who is your best looking girlfriend?
Ooh, see y'all spicing
look.
it up.
I'm gonna keep it a bill. Look, and if y'all want to go search up and go see her drip, do that. NNIIAA7. Period.
Period.
See mine.
It is what it is.
My best looking.
If you don't say girl, I'm a fan.
I know who you talking about, but
You don't know who I'm talking about.
I do.
Who?
India.
No.
who?
Mama, come
no.
on. You know this.
Alright, who you better looking over?
Yeah.
Yeah, who your best looking guy?
Reed.
She one of them, but
A
I don't
buck.
know. I had a little history of some bad
buck.
shorties, you know.
Oh, he said,
Say, but free bucks to do that. But say, what I'm about to say, my best looking one, I ain't never really had no red thing. Larry, I'm gonna have to give it to. But my first love code too, though. So if you see this, don't
Who you
feel
was,
played.
kid?
You beautiful.
I mean, who you a G?
Alright, nah, for real. Alright.
I don't know none of Geo lady name.
My best looking girl was.
You trying to make it seem like my son got feelings or something.
My
son
best
be
looking
chillin'.
girl was Peaches.
G out here.
Man said peaches.
Wait, peaches.
Peaches.
Dirty peaches.
What peaches?
Yeah.
All right, don't think we got past you. You ain't seen nobody. Who your best looking girl?
Good.
Just
Y'all-
say that
y'all
girl
know
name. What her
who it
name?
is.
What girl on
Yeah.
Instagram was? The what one with the big forehead?
India?
No.
Nah.
And
All
she had
you know.
She had a bun.
Wait, cause India got a
And
big
there all
old
her
head.
smash. All her smash.
Oh. 7.
Who?
7.
Huh? What her name is?
7.
Yeah, that's the best one you had, bro. Keep it a buck with you.
Well,
Keep it up.
Rest them.
I ain't going her though. I talked to her.
Name dropper.
7. Her name's 7.
we dropping ads. What they ad is?
At twin little sister forever.
Yeah. But
What's your ad?
at Lil Reed.7 at Ken Dior.
Oh,
It's
Ken
Dior.
X deal.
Ken X Dior. So.
At Lovely Peaches.
This man is stupid.
what
At
you
oh you
Leave
gave
this
us
video alone.
At
This not getting edited.
yes it is.
No, it's not.
I only had a few part edited, a few memes in there.
I'm
Let
looking.
me see.
Hold on.
I see one that I want to answer. Y'all going feed. I ain't
Say it. Say it.
Huh?
Say it.
I ain't gonna fuck with that. Let me see.
No, we should
How we gonna do this one?
Alright, look.
do-
Oh,
we
look,
should
oh,
do-
look,
we should do-
we should do.
What school y'all go to?
Oh yeah, we could do that one. We could do that one.
We can do the girls first.
What school we go to? I go to my school.
I go to
My school.
BTW.
I don't stay down here.
I go to
I'm
Lafayette
not
High.
BTW. Y'all need to know where I go.
I go to Sophie B. Right.
I quite not want to act. They were like, "Why y'all left y'all ex?" Alright, look.
My recent.
So currently my
I did
status
some of this
is
all
stuff.
my
stuff.
my status
You're
is I'm
recent.
single, and because she friendly, and that's basically it. She too friendly.
Alright, why you left yours?
I left my ex because she was fucking with the bros.
No.
Why you left yours?
I love
All my exes mess with the bros.
This they get paid.
I love mine because
I was about to tell it for you. Go ahead.
I love mine because buku stuff. Lying, cheating.
I don't even know
Oh,
your exes. You done ran through so many girls. To be honest,
Auntie.
he's a dog. I'm telling you.
This the dog.
He the dog.
This the dog.
One of your
Who the dog?
exes.
I
One of your exes beat
I
up
ain't
the
leave
other
mine.
ex.
Oh, Lord.
Mine left me because I did something.
Lying down.
For real. You knew.
I do.
Yeah.
Look at you talking some sneaky.
I'll just
shit.
drop 10 on this.
But
10. I'm broke now.
next question is, would y'all ever flip a girl?
Depends.
Yeah, depends.
Depends on the scenario.
Man.
Flip the fuck out.
Ah.
Flip it from the back, the front,
Nah.
the
See,
side.
all fours on one thing.
That's gonna be some
Girl,
problems.
she gonna walk out limping, so body
Right,
hurt.
talk.
She ain't gonna walk out because once my shorts
That
go
bitch
down,
gonna be retarded.
she gonna pass out.
Fuck is up, Kyle? No, what did you say? What the fuck, dude? Step the fuck.
I'm joking. But yeah, bro.
You gonna pass out?
I mean, it depends. You know, if we at a Airbnb or something, if she willing, you know how we say it, if she willing.
If she willing.
Nigga said she gonna pass out.
You say once, I say go down.
You act. See, you read the next one.
Oh no, I got it.
What y'all doing in high school?
I hoop. Period.
Playing in the band.
I'm just
Football.
doing my work. Getting girls in the auditorium and we just
Do y'all talk to somebody?
I'm
I
single.
talk to the whole world. I
I
ain't
don't
gonna
talk
lie.
to nobody.
I talk to the whole world. Tell you how you want.
Y'all look at me.
I'm single.
Tell you how you
And I'm
want.
single, he's single, he's single. Well, no, you're not.
Who? Oh, I'm
He's
single.
And he's single.
Who? Me?
You single? You not single?
Yeah.
He lying.
Hey, ain't you single, G?
What?
Yeah, I'm single.
All
single?
us three single. He talked to cuz. He ain't gonna fuck with that. For L.
Cuz.
Don't read that one.
Well, I'm trying to figure who he is because I played for them. So,
Cuz.
when you got a question, I don't want to answer none of them. They tripping.
Next one,
What's some more smoke coming?
Next.
right now. We working on it right now.
We should do a Rachel drip.
Talking about you.
Oh, soon. I'm just handling my business. I ain't dropping right now. Y'all gonna have to wait. I gotta do some shit. Yeah.
And whoever, when I catch who that is leaking my something new tomorrow, I'm releasing all that, I'm gonna back the fuck out.
But, next
Time
one,
out. Why you keep cursing? It's a kid-friendly channel.
Man, ain't curse.
If it was kid friendly, you wouldn't have that beanie on.
The next one, see, how long y'all think y'all can last?
In the bed?
Ooh,
Yeah.
I ain't gonna count.
I'm lasting 6 hours.
I ain't about to do no stun. Give me like, what, 10 minutes.
I think probably
I'm
about
gonna
like
say 10
yeah,
to
like
15.
10,
10 to 15.
10, 15, yeah.
10.
Let me stop. But with that thing that I got right now, she getting it all day.
10, but after that 10,
Okay.
we can go again like later on. So it's gonna be good. It's gonna be, yeah. How you read the next one, G?
This video about to, he about to ask y'all one question. It's about to be done.
All right, this person said,
Whose story?
this person said,
What that girl said?
Let me see.
what she said?
He said.
What kind of game? What game kind of
Not
game?
that one, not that
Oh. First fight, quick story time. I'm gonna go first.
Oh,
Well, I don't remember my first fight.
yeah, I remember my first fight.
My
Oh wait,
first
we
one,
gonna do this one.
we gonna put the video up there. My
First fight y'all lost. First time losing the fight.
My first time losing the fight was on the bus.
Yeah,
was in
me
the
too.
gym. Mine was in the gym.
Quick story time. If y'all want that, comment down.
When I was
below.
on the bus, it was
Dang,
he got on the
everybody
seat.
be on your thing, bitch.
he got on the seat and beat the fuck out. He stood on that seat and just went to work.
See me? I got beat up and he was messing with me. That's how that went. Like, I was joking with my young boys. He came over there. He like, if you know, you know. He came over. He like, you ain't even much like that. And I'm like, what? I'm like, man, go ahead with all that. He came over there full. I'm like, go ahead, because I'm a cool nigga. I'm just like, go ahead. So, you know, long story short, I'm like, man, fuck it, because he ain't want to leave a nigga alone. So we start fighting, boom, boom. We pointed. Then he hit me hard as a motherfucker. Boom, I fell.
Lips great.
I don't know. I got up.
He licked his lip when he fell. He got back up. There was great.
And then I got up. The teacher ran over there and she grabbed me. I went crazy. They had to call the head of the school over there, police over there. My mom and then my dad and them had to come hold me. The school went on shutdown. You remember after that? You know, but
that was the fight of the year too.
Yeah.
That was the fight of the year?
Yeah, because
they was both did it too.
We was top dogs in there. Me and him was the top dogs in there. So when we fought, it was over with, you know? But yeah, that was it. We're about to close this video out.
Without further ado, man, we appreciate y'all.
Featuring my pimple.
Thank y'all so much for the views and the subscribers and the likes.
Yeah, y'all been turning us up. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, look,
I ain't
easy got a
expect all
freestyle for y'all, man. Man, beat segment, beat.
You gonna put my son on the front, man? Y'all ain't getting all that.
No. Give me a beat, man.
You really about to freestyle?
Hold on.
Yeah.
Man, no, son. Y'all be.
Let's get the flying like it was a virus. Niggas talking hella shit, cut them up like a pirate. Ay, ay, ay. I had to switch up my lane, had to cut people off, cause niggas not solid. Niggas talk about the next man and how much bread up in their pocket. Niggas always be plotting, that's why I'm always watching, cause you would never catch me lacking.